You know what? It kind of smells like sneeze. I'm going to do a quick application of this new product. Ilia? Do we know how to pronounce it? I don't know. It kind of leaked everywhere. That's not cool. Very leaky. And it doesn't look like the seal was broken and anything. I think it's just seeping out of there. We're gonna give it a good shake. I went to Sephora finally to get some samples because my skin tone is really hard to match. So it's a kind of a watery, I don't know if you guys could see that yet, very watery solution. That's the color. And as you can tell, it's kind of running. You know what? It kind of smells like sneeze. I know that's like a terrible, it smells like sneeze. Oh no, that smells really funky. I think I did read in the review that it has like quite the odor. And I would agree with those reviews. It smells like sneeze. That is the best thing I could describe it as. It's like kind of chemically sneeze. But I'm gonna massage it real well. And as you guys can tell, it is kind of just, it is blending pretty well into my skin. This is right on top of just cleansing. I put on a lotion, just face lotion, a little bit of Serum or whatever you call that. And I kind of like this because it's kind of like a one-stop shop. It's a serum and SPF, which I definitely need every day. I just have such pale skin. And fun fact, I found out for an article that I wrote when I was in high school, even if you have a darker complexion and you have more melanin in your skin, while it does provide better protection against sun, like spots and stuff, you can still get skin cancer. So it's really important to protect yourself no matter what your skin tone is. So always wear something with SPF. I highly recommend a mineral SPF because, I mean, I kind of like it. It looks pretty well blended. I probably will go back with a concealer under my eyes because I feel like I'm getting sleep, but maybe I'm just not getting deep sleep. What do you guys think? So this is, well, let me step into the light better. So I think it looks a little bit more even toned. It's like hiding a little bit of the rootiness. It kind of evens everything out, which is really nice. I mean, it's definitely not giving you that full coverage of a foundation or a BB cream. It's giving me a little bit less coverage than the IT Cosmetics anti-aging armor, which I adore, but unfortunately they discontinued, so that's neither here nor there. Please recontinue it, bring it back, IT Cosmetics, and then I'll stop looking for products because that's the bomb. But this is, again, the serum, and as you can tell, this is kind of like, it creates like a dewy sheen. I have combination skin, so I do have areas. I actually used retinoid last night, so my skin has a tendency to be a little drier the next day, but it seems to be helped by the serum. And this, guys, is a close-up of what it looks like. It really did even things out a bit, because I do have a little bit of rootiness, especially after I used retinoid. So it does give you like a healthy glow. It does give you enough tint. It doesn't give you that full coverage, but if you're not experiencing tons of skin issues, blemishes, dark spots, and things like that, this might actually do the trick. Might be also, even if you are, for those days that you just don't care and you want to just keep it light and easy, you got no one to impress, but you also want to keep your skin safe. This might be a good alternative. And just to show you guys how it looks put together with not my hair in a crazy bun and the headband that I use to keep water and moisture out of my hair because it'll turn frizzy. This is literally just that super serum that I put on. a little smear of lipstick that I really love, but apparently we discontinued as well. Are we noticing a trend? And I just curled my lashes. That's literally it. Serum, curling lashes, and a little smear of leftover lipstick from a discontinued lipstick that I love. So I kind of dig it because I am doing something good for my skin. There's enough coverage to make me look awake and alive. I actually didn't end up putting any concealer under my eyes. And then, yeah, just pulling a look together without putting a lot of effort and look. I like to be basic, hence so basic. Anyways, I'll let you guys know how it looks. Also, something that people noted in the reviews that I've read about this product is that it tends to oxidize on the skin over time, turning the tone of the serum a bit darker than when it was originally applied. This one currently, I just applied it. It's blended completely into my skin, so it looks like second skin. And you really can't tell where it started. It just looks like my skin, but more uniform and a little bit glowier.
Verdicts in, I like this product. It wore pretty well. I maybe put a couple of dabs throughout the day just to keep up the SPF factor. As most of you do know already, you're supposed to reapply every 2 hours because the sun and the natural environment oxidizes the SPF protection. Anyways, that aside, it wore very well, as in it didn't cake or crack. It kind of just fluidly remained blended in my skin, looking like a more enhanced version of my own natural skin. I will definitely say if you have an oily T-zone, you could tell I get a little bit shiny right on the forehead, so you might want to get some blotting sheet, or this might not be the product for you. But I think given that it has a high SPF of 40, and it can be replacing a foundation for daily use, it might be worth that $48 that it costs on Sephora. But hey, you never know. Sephora does have a lot of promos and discounts, and I'm sure you might be able to find this product elsewhere at a discount, in which case it'll be even more worth it. Regardless, I hope you guys have a fabulous new year if you are watching this when I'm releasing it. And if you are watching this much later, I hope you are having an amazing time of good health, fun, and excitement right where you find me. Thank you so much for watching and listening to me drone on. I definitely would appreciate a like and a subscribe, but of course, it's totally up to you. I don't post regularly as much as I'd want to yet, so subscribing is probably the best way to get notified about when any new videos do come out. If not, you can be that person that hits refresh on my feed, or maybe we'll meet again in a different lifetime. Either way, have a great one. Thank you for watching. Remember, it's okay to be so basic sometimes.